tutorial, I'll be going to talk about tuples or tuples in Python. So let me clear this. This is a project. So tuples or tuples are basically lists, but they are constants. In other sense that they cannot be changed. So for a tuple is basically data structure. So for making a tuple, so first we need to give the name of the tuple. So I'll just give the most basic example is coordinates, as coordinates can never change, and then n is equal to sign, and then parentheses. As you remember that if you are following through the course, lists use square brackets, and for assigning tuples we need to use parentheses. So inside this parentheses I can just type some coordinates, and now when you print coordinates, you can see that it is printing the result. You can do the same thing, as you can refer to the list by just typing the index. So I am just typing the index 0. So this will refer to the first coordinate or 2. So now when you run the program, you can see that it is printing 2. So this is a question which most of the people ask, that what is the difference between lists and tuples. So the basic difference is that lists can be changed and tuples are constant or cannot be changed. So now suppose if I just try to change an element, like I want to change the first element. You can see that it is showing an error, and now when you run it, you can see that it is saying that tuple object does not support item assignment. So you can see that this cannot be changed. So now if you remove the parentheses and add square brackets, which will refer to as lists, now you can see there is no errors, and now when you print it, when you run the program, you can see there is no errors. So the main basic difference between a list and a tuple is that they cannot be changed. So most of the time when you want to write some data in variables that cannot be changed, many of the developers use parentheses or assign tuples instead of lists. So these are the basic properties of tuples.